The Lord told Moses to tell Aaron and his son to bless the children of Israel. He said, may the Lord bless you and keep you. May the Lord make his face shine upon you and be gracious to you. May the Lord turn his face toward you and give you peace. I would like to encourage all of you to use your mouth to speak the blessing upon people around you. If you're the pastor, please bless your members with your mouth, with your words, with your tongues. If you are parents, bless your children. And if you are the boss in the working place, the office, just bless your employees. Let us use our mouth to really lift other people up, speak positive. And for us, if people try to curse us, we don't have to worry because the Lord blesses. At the cross, Jesus took our curse on his body and he gave us the blessing. Therefore, don't be so fearful when people try to curse us. No one can curse us because God already blessed us. And don't live in fear. You should love God and love people around you because love will get rid of the fear. Therefore, please bless other people and don't be afraid of people who try to curse you, but just have faith that God already blessed you. I believe you will practice what you hear from the Word of God.